Ni hao. What's up, my YouTube family? Hi, guys. How's everybody doing? Hope fine. I'm doing great. Guys, I miss you. I miss you. I do know for sure there's somebody out there that do miss me. Coco. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Thank you so much for checking up on me, reaching out to me, girl. I appreciate it. Guys, I have a lobster. It's 4 pounds. That boy's big, okay? The tail's fat, y'all. I got some, snails, escargot, you know. I got my frosty mug. I got some water. Guys, I'm hot, y'all. I'm hot. I'm feeling it now. I'm like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting nervous because I'm talking to you guys. Y'all know how it be. Y'all got to understand it. It is hard getting up here doing these videos because people like to judge you. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I don't care. I care, but I don't care. Because always the one that's talking that don't be up here showing their face, so it's all right. Yes, guys, I got some butter, some salted butter. Orlando Lake, of course. Oh, I got toothpicks so I can get my I don't know if I cooked them too long. I hope not. Oh, this one is fat. Look at that. I'm gonna say this because I like that. It's a pesto garlic butter sauce that they put on these escargots, so it's like it's solid, and they pack it in, and then when you cook it, it melts down, and it is so good, y'all. Let me show y'all this lobster, y'all. Y'all see that tail? Look at that tail, y'all. Look at the tail. That's my hand. Look at that. Look at that. That's my lobster, y'all. Is y'all jealous? I know y'all jealous. All right, I'm not going to do too much talking because I'm just going to enjoy my lobster. I don't need to explain and tell y'all what it tastes like. Oh my God, y'all. I'm sweating. Girl, sweating. Today is Tasty Tuesday. Guys, let me know in the comments what y'all eat today. Let me know where y'all are watching from. I feel like I got sweat right down my face. I'm serious, I wasn't this hard until I got up here on the camera in front of you guys. Y'all, that tail's big. Ooh. That's a lot of juice. Ooh. That splashed in my face, y'all. That splashed right in my face. So disrespectful. So disrespectful. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. If y'all didn't know, lobster is my favorite food. My favorite. Get into. Oh, there's another big one. Look at that, y'all. That's some good stuff. In the case I need it. But that last claw, that one was easy. This one's thicker. But it's bigger too. So I'm probably gonna have problems with that bad boy. But I'm ready for it. Eyes is ready for it. I feel like I had a burp. Excuse me, guys. I gave y'all a warning. Mm-mm-mm. I feel a lot of juice in there. Look at that. Oh, it's still coming out of there. All right. Please don't get me out. Ooh. This looks like it's covering the hole. You know, sometimes you get lobster and you get that claw, and it be so small. I got it, y'all. I didn't have to use the hammer. I did not have to use the hammer. Hammer. They put me in the mix. Yo, back in the days, you know, in the 80s and stuff, I used to love MC Hammer. I mean, I loved MC Hammer. I know every song. I had his dances. I had the Hammer dolls. The only thing I ain't never had was some MC Hammer pants. And I want them so bad. Mom, why you didn't give me no MC Hammer pants? You knew that was my boy. I had his posters all over my wall. Y'all back in, 70 babies and stuff. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Poster, what's up, magazine and stuff. So I had him. Then it was MC Light. And it was LL Cool J. Those are my 80s people. Yep. MC Hammer was #1. I still play his music now. Let me know if y'all liked MC Hammer back in the days. It's good. And once I took this lobster out the bag, that big claw didn't even have a rubber band on it, y'all. It almost got me. And you know, people be like suing over the littlest thing. Now, let's just say I took it out the bag and he clipped my finger or something. Would I be able to sue the seafood market because it didn't have a rubber band on it? Let me know, y'all. Lose a finger from Larry the Lobster. Well, this is the cousin, because this ain't Larry. Larry's big. Look at that. Oh, my God. It's that sauce. It's the sauce. It's the sauce. Look at this tail. Y'all, I'm kind of full. But I'm going to eat this tail. It is a big tail, y'all. Oh, my God. This meat and these fins, these all, and their tails. Let me get this meat out of here. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all a little something over here. I can get out better than that, but y'all see that? It came out of the little fin. Excuse me. Oh my God, this thing big. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Please excuse me, y'all. Please. Usually I eat the inside. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna eat it tomorrow. Off camera. We eat it tomorrow off camera, y'all. We finish these here. Oh. I was gonna. I don't even feel like fighting. But now for the best part. Guys, if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe if you like. It would be nice. It's free. So, and if you are new here, yes, this is seafood, but I am a YouTube eater, but I eat exotic. I eat crazy things. I eat stuff that other countries have. It's like delicacy, but for us, we think it's weird. But for them, it's not weird. And, yeah. Mm. Mm. Steak and lobster always get stuck in my tooth. Or mm, mm, mm. Mm. I'm full. I'm full. I'm tired. I promised Coco I was gonna come do a video today, so here I am, Coco. Girl, I appreciate you. So, yes. Whew. Please don't talk about how tired I am. It's 9 o'clock at night. I'm right. This tail is good. I got this lobster at like 2 o'clock. And I cooked it. Like, I was going to do a video earlier. But then I had stuff I had to do. And then I was just like, you know, because I promised Coco that I was going to come up here and, like, show my face and check in with you guys. And with her, because I've been going for a little while. I don't know. I'm not all up into doing a video tonight. As y'all can tell. Y'all can see it. Oh. I'm going to try to... I'm not going to make no promises, but I'm going to try to come out and do another video tomorrow. And, be a little bit more lively. I don't know, more video-ishy. I know that's not a word. Video-ishy. Oh, man. I'm going to give this piece to LeBron. Oh, man, maybe not, because I was double dipping. Sorry. I'll save it for later or tomorrow. Whew. Thank you guys. If you sat through and watched this, I know it was kind of boring. No, I'm not on. My hair is not done. Guys, I'm thinking about maybe one day next week I'm going to do a live. Would y'all like to see a live? Oh my God. A lot of people are doing lives. I'm going to try it. See what's it about. If I do a live, are y'all going to watch my live? That's the thing. I do not want to get on live. I'll be sitting here talking and ain't nobody watching my live. You know what I'm saying? If I do a live, guys, would y'all watch it? Let me know. Maybe I'll go get another, another live hissing cockroach. Ooh. Guys, that's a tough one for me. Doing them live hissing cockroaches, that is really, really hard and really, really tough for me. So maybe I will get one. And then, yeah, I mean, I'll get one for my friend. And I'll do something like if I get 100 views, I'll eat it. What y'all think? Y'all probably come and watch it then. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna I'll give y'all like a day, 2 days advance, let you know that it's going down, so y'all could be ready. And let me know like what would be like the best day or time to do the live. Y'all think like, oh excuse me, like maybe 8 o'clock at night on a weekend or a weekday? I think 8 o'clock at night would be fine. Cause like you'd be done cooking, you'd be home. Either 8 or 10. Maybe 8. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Let me know. All right, guys. If nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to tell you I love you. I love each and every one of you guys, and I appreciate you guys so much. Guys, until the next video. Ciao.